Welcome to UKey Academy, where crypto is made simple. In this first lesson, we'll explain what crypto is and why it matters for beginners. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a type of digital asset. Unlike the cash you carry in your wallet or the money you keep in a bank account, crypto exists entirely online, and it runs on blockchain networks. In simple terms, crypto is digital money or a digital asset that can be stored, transferred, and verified through blockchain technology. You can think of crypto as a digital asset. Some people use it to store value. Some use it to send assets globally, and others use it to trade or swap tokens. Crypto works through blockchain technology. A blockchain is like a digital record book. Every transaction is recorded on the network, and once confirmed, it cannot easily be changed. A blockchain is like a digital record book. Every transaction is recorded on the network, and once confirmed, cannot easily be changed. A coin is the main asset of its own blockchain, like Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network or ETH on Ethereum. A token is built on top of an existing blockchain, such as Ethereum, BNB chain, or other networks. To use crypto, you need a crypto wallet. A wallet helps you receive, send, store, and manage your digital assets. It also helps you interact with blockchain networks. In crypto, having control is powerful, but it also means you need to protect your assets carefully. Your recovery phrase, private key, and transaction confirmation should always be handled with care. Crypto is not only for trading. You can hold digital assets, transfer value globally, swap between tokens, and explore Web3 applications. But before trading, it is important to understand the basics first. With UKey Wallet, beginners can start exploring crypto step by step. You can manage your assets, receive crypto, send transactions, and swap tokens directly through the app. Follow UKey Academy's official fan page and channels to stay updated on the latest knowledge, events, and programs. UKey Academy, unlock your potential.